Good morning everyone. My name is Tanuj and I am studying in grade 4B. Today I am going to tell the importance of Christmas. What is the importance of Santa Claus on Christmas? Santa Claus is also known as Father of Christmas. Saint Nicholas, Saint Nick, Kris Kringle or simply Santa. One of the stories that made Saint Nicholas popular says that Saint Nicholas threw his bag of gold through the open window in a house of a poor man who planned to sell off his daughters to slavery. It is said that the gold landed in the family's shoes. That's why the children leave their shoes by the door near the fireplace or hang their socks near the door with the hope of receiving gifts. Santa Claus is important on Christmas because of the custom of giving gifts to children. Thank you.